Hi everyone, this is Krishna Rao, Math Science faculty. Last class we discussed multiple and submultiple angles and introduction of transformation. Once again we have to recall the transformation concept, that means here sum and difference of the sine and cosine angles. See here, this is sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Next second one is difference, sine C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Third one, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Fourth one, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This is the transformation. Next, here we have to discuss some identical relations of the trigonometry angles. Here let A, B, C and D are angles. Then here sum of the 3 angles is equal to 0 degrees. And sum of the 3 angles is equal to pi by 2 degrees, and sum of the 3 angles is equal to 2 pi, and sum of the 3 angles is equal to 2s, and sum of the A plus B plus C plus D also you can take here, this is also 2 pi. Okay, here many identical relations are found to hold the trigonometry ratios. By using these identical ratios we have to prove some problems. How it is, see here, I will give one problem, then how to explain, see here. This is the first problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, and prove that sine 2A minus sine 2B plus sine 2C is equal to 4 times of cos A sine B and cos C. Now see here, we have to take here LHS we have to take here. LHS is here sine 2A minus sine 2B plus sine 2C. See here, sine 2A minus sine 2B plus sine 2C. This is the LHS. You can apply here sin C minus sin D or sin C plus sin D. Anyone also, no problem. Your choice. See here, sin C minus sin D formula is equal to cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. See here, by using these two functions, you can write here 2 cos here 2A plus 2B by 2 into sin here 2A minus 2B by 2 plus sin 2C is write as 2 sin C into cos C. Understand clearly? Now see here, this is 2 times of cos. Here numerator you have to take 2 and denominator 2, cancel both are, then A plus B. Now here also sin, here 2 and this denominator 2 both are cancel, A minus B plus 2 cos C, sin C and cos C. Now see here, one condition is given, A plus B plus C is equal to pi is given here. Now this C is on that side, A plus B is equal to pi. Now you can write here sin A plus B is equal to sin pi minus C. See, sin pi minus C means this is second quadrant, means this is positive, then sin A plus B is equal to here sin C. Now at the same time, now you can apply this is same cos A plus B is equal to cos of pi minus C. Then this is right as cos C minus cos C. This is second quadrant, means this is negative. Okay, now you can apply here. This is 2 cos C plus, okay, is A plus B. A plus B, instead of you can write here minus 2 cos C. Here sin A minus B, as you can write here sin A minus B plus here 2 sin C, instead of you can write here sin A plus B, sin A plus B into cos C. Now the whole function you can take here 2 cos C. 2 cos c common means here remaining sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Now see here, this is cos c and sin, here sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equal to, this is 2 cos a and sin b. Now you can write here 2 into 2, 4 times, and cos a sin b into cos c, hence proved. It's like problem as given, but in this JEE, how they will ask me, CP a plus b plus c is equal to 5, and the value of sin 2a minus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 options as given. In these 4 options, we have to find out this is 4 cos a, sin b, sin c, where it is, you have to put tick mark. Okay, note down this one. Okay, next problem, second one. If a plus b plus c is equal to 5, then prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So how it is, see here, this is LHS you have to take here. Here sin square a minus sin square plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. See here, one formula you know that here sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay, recall this formula. Now see here, this is a sin square a by 2 is write as 1 minus cos square a by 2 plus, here this is write as 2 sin a plus b sin b plus c by 2 into sin b minus c by 2. Now see here a plus b plus c is equal to pi as given. Here b plus c is equal to pi minus a. Now divide whole equation by 2. Then this is b plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2. You can apply here sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus a by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus a by 2 means sin a by 2. Now see here, this is write as 1 minus, this cos square a by 2 is write as cos a by 2 into one more cos a by 2 you can write here. That cos a by 2 instead of you can write here sin b plus c by 2 plus, here same as you can write here sin b plus, okay, sin b plus c by 2 into sin b minus, this is sin b plus c by 2 instead of you can write here cos a by 2 sin b minus c by 2. Now 1 minus, here cos a by 2, here cos a by 2, you can take here cos a by 2 common, then sin b plus c by 2, here minus into plus minus, here minus you can write here minus into minus plus here, then sin b minus c by 2. Now see here 1 minus, this is cos a by 2. Now this is sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos b plus c by 2 plus b minus c by 2 into sin b plus c by 2 minus b minus c by 2. Now see here 1 minus 2 cos a by 2. Now this is you can take here whole, this is cc cancel, here 2b by 2 means this 2 cancel, then this is cos b by 2. Now here this is also minus into plus, this is plus, bb cancel, then here 2 and this is 2c, numerator 2 cancel, then this is also write as sin c by 2. Now you can multiply 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 and cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. Note down. Okay, next problem. If tan x minus y by 2, tan z, tan x plus y by 2 are GP, then show that cos x is equal to cos y into cos z. See here, this is A, B, C, R in GP. R in GP means T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. That means here second term by first term is equal to third term by second term. That means here B by A is equal to C by B. Cross multiply, here B square is equal to AC. Now what is B here? This is tan Z. Tan Z whole square is equal to tan x minus y by 2 into tan x plus y by 2. Now this is write as sin by cos. Here sin square z by cos square z is equal to here sin x plus y by 2 by cos x minus y by 2 into sin x plus y by 2 by cos x plus y by 2. Now see here, you can multiply a numerator and denominator also too. Now this is write as cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now you can write here cos d minus cos c means here this is a plus. That's why here see here this 2 by using this 2 you can write here cos y minus cos x. Cos y minus cos x. Reverse cos d minus cos. Here this is write as cos x plus cos y also no problem, or cos y plus cos x also no problem. Here this is sin square z by cos square z. Now you can apply component and dividend rule. Apply component and dividend rule. Component and dividend rule means here just see here sin square z, this is a. Component and dividend rule means here a by b is write as a plus b by a minus b. This is the component and dividend rule. Here also here sin square z is write as sin square z plus cos square z by sin square z minus cos square z, left hand side. Right hand side here cos y minus cos x plus cos y plus cos x upon cos y minus cos x minus cos y minus cos x. Now these two cos x cancel. Here cos y cancel. Now this is a identity 1 and this is sin square a minus cos square a is equal to minus sin 2a minus cos 2z is equal to here this is 2 times of cos y by this is minus 2 times of cos x. This is minus cancel and this minus also cancel, cross multiply. Cos x is equal to cos y into cos z. Okay, hence proved. Note down. Okay, next problem. Sin 47 degrees minus sin 25 degrees plus sin 61 degrees minus sin 11 degrees. See here you can take this is one sin c minus sin d and this is one group sin c minus sin d. Now you can apply here sin c minus sin d means here 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2 plus here also 2 cos 61 plus 11 by 2 into sin 61 minus 11 by 2. Now see here 2 cos, here this is 47, 60, 72 by 2 means here 36 degrees and this is 22 means here sin 11 degrees plus this is 2 cos, this is also 72 means here 36 degrees and this is 50 means sin 25 degrees. Now you have to take here common 2 cos 36 degrees then sin 11 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Now see here 2 cos 36 into this is again you can apply sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is 2 cos 36 degrees and this is 2 yes sine. This is 36 by 2 means here 18 degrees and here this is 7 degrees. 11 minus, okay, 14 by 2 means 7. Cos of minus is equal to cos plus cos. Here 2 into 2 4. Here cos 36 degrees value is root pi plus 1 by here 4 and sine 18 degrees is root pi minus 1 by 4 into cos 7 degrees. This is 4 cancel. Here a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Then root 5 whole square means here pi minus 1 by 4 into cos 7 degrees. Here pi minus 1 4 cancel. Its value is cos 7 degrees. Option cos 7 degrees. This is the first option. Note down. Okay, next fifth problem. Cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 132 plus cos 154. This is also same model. You can take this is one group, this is one group. This is cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Plus in this 2 also 2 cos 132 plus 156 by 2 into cos 132 minus 156 by 2. Now see here. 2 cos, this is 84 plus 12 is equal to 96. 96 by 2 is equal to 48 degrees. Then this is cos of, this is 84 minus 12 means here 6, here 7, not 6. Here 84 minus 12 is equal to 2. This is 72 by 2 means 36 degrees. Plus 2 cos, this is 8 to 288 by 2 means 144 degrees. And cos 156 minus 132 is equal, this is 4. And 24 by 2 means here 12 degrees. 12 degrees. Now, see here one more step I will write here. Here 2 cos 48 degrees and cos 36 degrees and 2 cos, this one is right as cos 180 minus 36 we have to write here, cos 12 degrees. Now this is cos 48 into cos 36 and this is 180 minus theta means minus 2 cos 36 degrees into cos 12 degrees. Now you have to take here cos 2 cos 36 degrees, 2 cos 36 degrees into cos 48 minus cos 12 degrees. Now this is 2 cos 36 degrees into cos c minus cos d formula. Here 2 sine, here c plus d, instead of you can write here c minus d or minus c plus d by 2, 48 plus 12 by 2 into sine c minus d. C minus d means here 48 minus 12 by 2. Now we can write here 2 into 2 4 minus 4 cos 36 degrees into sine, this is 60 by 2 means here sine 30 degrees and this is sine 36 by 2 means 18 degrees. Now you can write here minus 4 into cos 36 degrees value is equal to root pi plus 1 by 4 and sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into sine 80 degrees is equal to root pi minus 1 by 4. Now see here this 4 cancel. Now this is a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square minus 5 minus 1 by 4 into 2. Then minus this is 4 cancel 1 by 2. Option 3, note down. Okay, next problem, sixth one here, sine 12 degrees into sine 24 into sine 48 into sine 84. We have to take this is sine 12 into sine 48 one group and sine 24 and sine 84 is one group. Here 12 plus 48 is 60. 60 means by 2 means 30 also. We know the answer. Now you can write here sine 12 degrees into sine 48 degrees. This is one group and here sine 24 degrees into sine 84 degrees. Now you have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. This is minus. Again you can write here 2, here minus, here denominator. There minus into minus plus. Now see here, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. You can write here 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now this is minus 2 sin c sin d means here this is cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d. This is sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. This is write as 2 cos c. Okay, cos 12 minus cos 48 is write as. Okay, now here write it. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 is write as. Here this is cos c plus d minus r cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. That means here cos 12 degrees plus 48 minus cos 12 degrees minus 48 into here also same cos 24 plus 84 minus cos 24 minus 84. Now see here 1 by 4 into this is cos 60 degrees, cos 60, and this is cos of minus theta also cos theta. 48 minus this is 36 degrees, 36 into here cos 24 plus this is 84 is equal to 108 plus minus cos this is 60 degrees. Now 1 by 4 into here this is 1 by 2 and cos this is root pi plus 1 by this is 4 and this is right as cos 90 plus 18. Next this is 1 by 2. Now one more step you can read here 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus root pi plus 1 by 4. Here you can take here LCM. This is 2 minus here this is minus by 4 and this is 90 plus theta means minus sine 18 degrees minus 1 by 2. Now this is rewrite as 1 by 4 into 2 minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 into this is root 5 minus 1 minus you have to take common here and this is root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now here also you can take here LCM minus 1 by 4 into 4 1 minus root 5 by this is 16 then here minus this is minus and here also you have to take here LCM root 5 minus 1 plus this is 2. Now you can write here minus into 1 minus root 5 by 16 4s are 64 and this is root 5 plus 1. Now this is write as minus of a plus b into a minus b means 1 minus 5 by 64. Here minus into minus plus this is 4 by 64. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24 1 by 16 answer. You can write this is first option. Note down. Okay, next problem a plus b is equal to 2b. Then find the value of cos c minus cos a by sin a minus sin c. See at here cos c minus cos d formula is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 upon here sin c minus sin d is equal to here this is 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means here a plus c by 2 into sin a minus c by 2. Now see here a minus c. You can take here minus common here numerator in this one. Then here minus into this minus is plus. Then 2 sin c plus a by 2 into sin a minus c by 2 upon 2 cos a plus c by 2 into sin a minus c by 2. Now this numerator denominator cancel, this 2 to cancel, sin by cos is equal to tan a plus c by 2, a plus c by 2. But here a plus c is equal to 2b as given. Now tan 2b by 2, here 2 to cancel, the answer is tan b. Tan b, this is fourth option. Note down. Okay, next problem, eighth one. If sin alpha is equal to sin beta and cos alpha minus is equal to cos beta, then see here sin alpha is equal to sin beta given. Now this sin beta side this side, then sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to 0. Now we can apply sin c minus sin d, and here see here, and cos alpha is equal to cos beta, then cos alpha minus cos beta is equal to 0. This is also 0, this is also 0. That means these both are equal. Here sin alpha minus sin beta, this is also equal to 0. At the same time, cos alpha minus cos beta also equal to 0. That's why these both LHS are equal. Now you can apply here sin c minus sin d formula, here cos c minus cos d formula. What is the sin c minus sin d formula? Here 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin here alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Now this 2 to cancel either side, and this sin alpha plus beta, this is also cancel. Now you can write here, this is this is cos this side, then this is sin that side, and here sin alpha plus beta by 2 by here sin alpha cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to minus 1. Then here sin alpha plus beta by 2, sin alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, here no need to cancel here sin alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, this is to cancel, this is no need to cancel, or otherwise this is also no need to cancel. Then this term is sent this side. Now 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. This is minus coming, this one is plus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms you have to take common 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2 into then cos alpha plus beta by 2 into plus sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 0. Now this is sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 0, and this is whole is equal to 0. Now you can write here sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 0, and cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 0. Now according to options you have to check here. Here sin alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to 0. This is third option is correct. Note down. Okay, next problem, ninth one. Cos alpha plus beta plus gamma plus cos alpha minus beta minus gamma plus cos beta minus gamma minus alpha plus cos gamma minus alpha minus beta. See here, you have to take this is one group and this is one group. Now you can apply here cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos here alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is c plus d alpha minus beta minus gamma by 2 into now cos c minus d by 2 alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha plus beta plus gamma by 2 alpha minus beta. Now in these two you have to take here 2 cos c plus d by 2 beta minus gamma minus alpha plus gamma minus alpha minus beta by 2 into again here cos I will write here, there is no place, beta minus gamma minus alpha c minus d means here minus gamma plus alpha plus beta by 2. Now 2 cos, see here plus beta minus beta cancel, minus gamma plus gamma cancel, 2 alpha by alpha is equal to alpha, and into cos. Here also minus alpha cancel. Here beta, 2 beta plus 2 gamma by 2 means here by 2 cancel. Here beta plus gamma plus here 2 types of cos. Here also minus gamma plus gamma cancel and minus beta plus beta cancel. Here minus 2 alpha by 2 means here alpha. Minus of alpha also plus alpha. And cos here alpha cancel. And this is 2 beta minus 2 gamma by 2 means here beta minus gamma. Now we have to take common. 2 cos alpha is common. Then here cos beta plus gamma plus cos beta minus gamma. Now 2 cos alpha into, now again you have to apply cos C plus cos D formula. 2 cos beta, okay, beta, this is or otherwise we can apply cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos x y, cos gamma. Now you can multiply, this is 2 into 2, 4 cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Check here which option. Here 4 times of cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. Note down. Okay, next problem, cos x by cos x minus 2y is equal to lambda. Then find the value of tan x minus y into tan y. See here, this is also very easy. Here y, this is lambda. Now you can write here 1 by lambda is equal to cos x minus 2y by cos x. Now you can apply component and dividend rule. Component and dividend rule means here 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Here minus has given me, that's why. Here cos of x minus 2y minus cos x by cos of x minus 2y plus cos x. Now see here, this is rewrite as cos c minus cos d means here minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, x minus 2y minus x by 2. Offer here cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, x minus 2y minus x by 2. Now see here, this is 2 to cancel. Now this is rewrite as 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda is equal to, this is x minus y, x plus y. That means here 2x minus 2y by 2 means here x minus y you can write here. Sin x minus y, this is minus also there. And here minus x plus x cancel, 2 by 2 cancel, here minus here, that minus this minus cancel, then sin y by here cos, here also write here cos of x minus y, and this is cos of minus y also cos y. Now this is rewrite as sin by cos is equal to tan x minus y into here tan y is equal to 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Note down. Okay, now see here, if x and y are acute angles such that cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 2 and sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 by 4, then find the value of sin x plus y is equal to. See here, this is sin x plus sin y, you have to divide by this second equation. This is first one, this is second one. Is equal to 3 by 4 is divide, yes, cos x minus cos y is equal to cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 2. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 3 by 2. Now here sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d formula you have to apply. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 upon here 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 cancel. This is 2 1s are 2 2s is equal to 1 by 2. Now this 2 to cancel. Now this is cos cancel, sin by cos is equal to tan x plus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now you can write here sin x plus y is equal to, actually sin 2a formula in terms of tan means 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Then here submultiple angle, this is 1 minus 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2. Now this is 2 times of 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means here 1, and this is denominator is 1 plus 1 by 4. Now this is write as 2 by 2 into this 4 going to numerator, then this 4 plus 1 5. This is cancel. This is 4 by 5. Third option, note down. Okay, thank you children. This is transformation also completed. Next class we have to discuss new concept.